I'm speaking on behalf of the City of London. I want to sort of slightly stress again, London's peer group is New York and Singapore. London dwarfs the other, I can't say this without saying arrogant, dwarfs the other European financial centres. So, even in the worst case scenario, we lose, say, 5% of people to the rest of Europe, and there's no consensus where in Europe they should go. We're roughly 10 times bigger than Frankfurt. So if we're 95% of the size we were at the beginning, we're still a hell of a lot bigger than the other financial centres in Europe. And I think there's a lot of people who say, look, Brexit is disruptive. We may well lose some jobs, certainly in the short term. But is it as disruptive as artificial intelligence, automation, rise of China, Donald Trump's policy making? Even if you want to be more, if you want to be more controversial, British domestic politics. Let me leave it as simply as that. So, there are disruptive effects, but there are a multiplicity of disruptive effects.
Thank you.